Right now they're just staging all the lumber?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the main purpose for the staple gun is that way whenever he goes to plate that truss, he knows that it's not going to be moving. Once they put the plates on the truss, they'll tack them in place with a hammer. We typically instruct the guys to just hit that plate 2 or 3 times, no more than that. You don't need to waste your energy beating the plates to death. The table press will come rolling and smash them down into the truss. Once they exit the building, they go through a final press. That final presses the plates.
So what type of trusses are these and why are they special?
These trusses right here would be considered a parallel cord truss, and on the inside of the building, that'll give you as high a ceiling as possible. And you asked me about minimizing the load that's going on your porch beams outside.
Right.
So the way I have this truss engineered is that all the loads are actually going to the logs of your cabin.